Morning students. Today I have come up with my another video. Welcome back. Already we have studied about the electrovalent bond, covalent bond and coordinate bond. Yesterday I have uploaded a video on the coordination bond. With that chapter comes to an end. But there is one small concept which I have to revise again because already you have studied this concept in class 9th also. It's a basically revision concept for the oxidation and reduction in terms of the gain or loss of the electrons, right? So in 9th class already you have studied. What do you mean by the oxidation? Oxidation means gain of oxygen and removal of hydrogen, and reduction is the addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. This concept we have studied. Now we have to study in terms of loss or gain of electron. This also we have studied in the 9th class, but again I am repeating. So what do you mean by the oxidation? Oxidation is the loss of electron. So in any reaction, now suppose in the case of the electrovalent bond, if we are talking about, so uh, electropositive atom always undergoes the oxidation. Okay, like, and reduction is the gain of electron. What do you mean by the electronegative atom undergoes the reduction? So we will study this with the explanation of the we will study with this help of the example, explanation of the example. So what we have to study, like suppose common electrovalent compound is NaCl. So what is happening in that? Basically, sodium atom is losing the electrons. Now suppose if we are taking the two sodium atoms, so two sodium ions will be forming, so two electrons will be lost, so that is the oxidation. Please understand this concept, that is known as the oxidation, losing of electron. And now chlorine. What is happening? All of you know chlorine molecule, Cl2. It is taking the two electrons which is being lost by the sodium. So chlorine is the electronegative because it is gaining the electron already you know, and sodium is the electropositive, so it loses the electron. So electropositive element like sodium, it undergoes the oxidation, and chlorine basically it is taking the electron and in it undergoes the, that is called as the reduction. And if we combine these reaction, basically if we total in one reaction, if we write like 2Na plus Cl2, 2Na plus 2Cl minus, so what happened when the oxidation and reduction reaction taking place simultaneously in a reaction that is known as the redox reaction. So 2Na plus Cl2, it is forming the 2Na plus 2Cl minus. So total it is known as the redox reaction. Now students, I am going to tell you another concept for the oxidizing agent and reducing agent in the terms of the loss or gain of electrons only. So oxidizing agent in your class 9th also you are clear with the concept which helps in the oxidation, and in the reducing agent which helps in the reduction. So what do you mean like oxidizing agent means which is helping, it's a agent. Okay, so an oxidizing in our technical terms, in the terms of the electron, so how we have to study? Now suppose how we can say oxidizing agent is a reactant. Basically it removes electron from the other reactants during a redox reaction. So oxidizing agent typically takes these electrons for itself, thus gaining electrons and being reduced. So we can say that it is an electron acceptor. So basically you have to understand oxidizing agent is what? It is electron acceptor.